Ever wondered about that shiny, strong material that's literally everywhere around us? From the buildings we live in to the cars we drive, steel is the unsung hero of our modern world. But what exactly is this remarkable material? Stick around to the end for the hottest part. Steel is basically iron that's been given a superpower upgrade. By adding a tiny amount of carbon, usually less than 2%, we transform regular iron into something incredibly strong and versatile. It's like turning Clark Kent into Superman. The journey of steel begins deep underground, where iron ore has been hiding for millions of years. Miners extract this ore, which looks nothing like the sleek metal we know. It's more like reddish-brown rocks filled with iron-rich minerals. But here's where the magic happens. These rocks go through an amazing transformation in massive furnaces, heated to temperatures hotter than a volcano. We're talking about 2,800 degrees. The iron ore is mixed with limestone and coke, processed coal, and through this fiery dance we get liquid iron. But we're not done yet. This molten iron is then refined, with precise amounts of carbon added and sometimes other elements like chromium or nickel, to create different types of steel for different uses. It's kind of like following a recipe, but instead of baking cookies, we're cooking up one of the most important materials in human history. So next time you see something made of steel, remember, it started as rocks in the ground and became the backbone of our modern world through one incredible journey. Like this video if you have ever used steel.